The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good evening, ma'am. So yesterday we already covered the topic related to percentages. So while solving the problems related to percentages, everyone knows whenever they given the first number is X percentage more than the second number, then the second number is how much percentage less than the first number. So what is your answer? 100 into X by 100 plus X percentage. Okay. So write down the next example. In an examination, general example, in an examination, a student who got 32 percentage of the total marks, 32 percentage of the total marks, failed by 8 marks, and another student who got 35 percentage of the total marks, got 16 marks more than the pass mark. What is the total number of marks? What is the total number of marks? So here we don't know what is the total marks, but let us assume that total marks are X. The total marks are X. One student got 32 percentage of the total marks, nothing but X mark, 32 percentage of X. That is less than 8 marks, to get the pass mark. So how many marks we can add to him to get the exact pass mark? 8 marks, nothing but 32 percentage of X plus 8 is the pass mark. And another student got 35 percentage of X, he got 16 marks more than the pass mark, means if you reduce 16 from him to get exact pass mark, 35 percentage of X minus 16, both are pass mark. So if you solve it, 35 minus 32, 3 percentage of X is equal to 8 plus 16, 24. 3 percentage of X is equal to 24. Then X is equal to what? 800. Do it your own calculation, do it fast. Do it fast, my everyone. Okay, next one. In an election between two candidates, A and B, A secured 56 percentage of the votes. And won by 48,000 votes. Find the total number of votes polled. If 20 percentage of the votes were declared, invalid. Okay, so we don't know what is the total number of votes, but always we have to say that whether the person is winning or not by getting the valid votes now. Let us assume the total votes are X. Let us assume the total votes are X. Out of that 20% were declared invalid, means the remaining 80% is valid. The remaining 80% is valid. Clear? So 20% is invalid, nothing but the remaining 80% is invalid. Get it, all of you? But out of the valid votes, one person getting 56%, automatically the other person getting the remaining 44%. Always the percentage is calculated for every 100. Nothing but one person getting 56% of 80% of X. 56% of 80% of X. The other person getting 44% of the remaining 44, 80% of X. 80% of X. Clear? So automatically the person who getting the more percentage is the winner. How many votes is the difference? The difference between both the persons is 48,000. Do it fast, ma. 56% minus 44% is equal to 48,000. Write down. Go with your own calculation. Find the total number of votes polled. You have to find the X value. So clear, all of you? Whatever you understood from here, please solve it now. Our assumption, let us assume the total votes polled is X. So out of that, one person getting 56%, the other person getting 44%. Okay, but X is only valid. So it means that the 80% of total votes is equal to 4 lakhs. X is total votes is equal to 4 lakhs into 100 by 80. Into 100 by 80. Do it fast, ma. Okay, next one. Next one. All of you understood my 5 lakhs? So please understand what is invalid, what is the valid. Remember, all polled votes are not valid or not invalid. Compulsory, there are combination of both valid and invalid. If they particularly mention about invalid, you can consider the statement. If they do not mention anything, all polled votes are valid. Okay. Next one. Next one. In an election between two candidates, in this example, they do not mention anything, whether it is valid or invalid. In an election between two candidates, first candidate got 60% of the votes polled. First candidate got 60% of the votes polled, and the second candidate got 280 votes. And the second candidate got 280 votes. The total number of votes polled was so there is no problem. Here, there is no problem with valid or invalid. Let us assume the total votes are X. Out of X, one person getting 60% and the remaining 40% is for the other candidate. But the second candidate got 280 votes, nothing but that is equivalent to 40% of X. That is equivalent to 40% of X. So 40% of X is equal to 280. Then what is the value of X? Do it fast. Do it fast now. Okay. 4 7 are 28 700. X is equal to. Next one. Important one and difficulty one. In an election between two candidates, 75% of the voters 75% of the voters cast their votes. 75% of the voters cast their votes. Out of which 2% of the votes were declared. Out of which 2% of the votes were declared invalid. Out of which 2% of the votes were declared invalid. A candidate got 9,261 votes. A candidate got 9,261 votes, which were 75% of the total valid votes. Which were 75% of the total valid votes. Find the total number of votes enrolled. Find the total number of votes enrolled in that election. Find the total number of votes enrolled in that election. Okay. Everyone, listen carefully. First of all, everyone, listen carefully. Let us assume the total number of votes are X. Out of that, only 75% of the candidates used their votes. 75% of the voters cast their votes. Nothing but the total votes polled is 75% of X. But we have to find the total number of votes enrolled in that election is X, not 75% of X. X is the total enrolled, but out of that only 75% of the voters used their votes. Out of that 2% were declared invalid. Whenever the percentage is always calculated for every 100, 2% is invalid, means the remaining 98% is valid. The remaining 98% is valid. So this is the complete valid votes now. This is the complete valid votes. 98% of 75% of X. Out of this valid, one candidate got 9,261 votes. One candidate got 9,261 votes, which are 75% of the total valid votes. 75% of valid. Valid means 98% of 75% of X. 98% of 75% of X. Understood, all of you? Clear? Venkat? Okay. So please solve it, ma. So 75% means 75 by 100, 98 by 100, 75% of X is equal 9,261. Go with your own calculation, no problem. Do it fast. We have to find the X value. We have to find the X value. Okay. So what is the X value, ma'am? Go with your own cancellations, no problem. Everyone. Okay. So up to that, any doubts, ma? That is the last problem in percentages, important topic. Okay. So write down one more important topic, small topic, logarithms. 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 So write down the logarithms. Write down. Logarithms can be defined as 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 if log a log a base x log a base x is equal to m, log a base x is equal to m, then 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 a is equal to x to the power m, then a is equal to x to the power m. Okay, a is equal to x to the power m. Write down next one. Logarithms can be defined for logarithms can be defined for logarithms can be defined for non-zero. Logarithms can be defined for non-zero logarithms can be defined for non-zero positive values. Logarithms can be defined for non-zero positive values. Okay, right on the side heading. Properties of the logarithms. Right on properties of the logarithms. Log a base b is equal to, every problem depends on the property of the logarithm. Log a base b is equal to log a base b is equal to Log A by log B. Log A base B is equal to log A by log B. Log A by log B. Log A power n is equal to 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 n log A. Log A power n is equal to n log A. N log A. N log A. Log A base A is equal to log A base A is equal to 1. 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 Okay. Log A base A is equal to 1. Next one. Log A power n base A is equal to n. Log A power n base A is equal to log A power n base A is equal to n. Okay. Next one. Next one. Log A power n base A power m is equal to log A power n base A power m is equal to n by m log A power n base A power m is equal to n by m is equal to n by m. Is equal to n by m. Okay. Log AB is equal to log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Log A plus log B. Log A by B is equal to log A by B. I hope that everyone knows these properties of the logarithms now. Just we have to implement. Very simple topic and very few companies focus this particular topic now. For example, if you have to take MCAT related like emphasis, cognizant, Wipro, Mindtree, DXC technologies, compulsory there is a chance to ask 2 to 3 questions from the logarithms. All are depends on the properties of the logarithms only. Okay. So write down the examples. What is the value of log 0? Log 0 is undefined ma. Log 1 0, log 10 1. Okay, log 0 is undefined. Don't think that sir, log 1 0, log 0 1. That is not correct ma. Write down. Log 2 base 4. Log 2 base 4. Log 2 base 4 plus log 32 base 4. Log 32 base 4 is equal to is equal to is equal to okay. So it looks like log a plus log b na base is common. Whenever log a plus log b formula, what is the formula for log a plus log b? Log a plus log b is nothing but log ab. Log ab means log a into b. Log ab 2 into 32 is 64. 64 means 4 cube na? Yes. So 4 cube base 4. What is the formula? What is the value? Log a power n base a is equal to n na? 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Next one. Log 9 base 3. Log 9 base 3. Here basis is not common na? But log 9 base 3 means 9 can be written as 3 square. So if it is 3 square, log 3 square base 3 is nothing but 2. Log 625 means 5 power 4. So log 5 power 4 base 5 means 4 plus log 343. 343 means 7 cube. Log 7 cube base 3 means 3 ma. So what is the total answer? 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Next one. Next one. What is the value of log 1 by 49 1 by 49 base 7? Okay. So 1 by a is nothing but a power minus 1 है ना. So a power minus 1 nothing but 749 is 7 power 2. 1 by 49 means 7 power minus 2. 7 power minus 2 base 7 is minus 2 is the correct answer. Minus 2 is the correct answer. Next one. Next one. Log 10x is equal to, many times in AMCAT exam they asked the question. Bond paper కావాలంటున్నా. Bond paper. ఇదే కదా. సరే వెళ్ళండి. ఎంతసేపు వస్తా? అంటే బాండ్ పేపర్ ఏంటంటే so log 10x is equal to log 10 plus log x. Okay, log 10 plus log x. Log 10 nothing but 1. 1 plus log x is the correct answer. Ma. Next one. Log base root 2 log base root 2 log base root 2 log base root 2 log base root 5 log base root 5 log x base root 5 is equal to is equal to 2. Then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Okay, very simple one, ma, but looks like difficulty to approach. Whatever you understood previously, no problem. For example, if this part is equal to a, it looks like log a base root 2 is equal to 2. Log a base root 2 is equal to 2. It means that a is equal to root 2 whole square. Did you remember? Logarithm can be defined as if log a base x is equal to m, then a is equal to x power m. Nothing but root 2 whole square means 2. But what is the a value? What is the a variable is equal to log of base root 5. This is the a part. Log of x base root 5. Again for some time, this part is assumed as b. This part is assumed as b. If you have to assume this part is b, it looks like log b base root 5 is equal to 2. So b is equal to root 5 whole square. B is equal to root 5 whole square. Whenever it is root 5 whole square, b value is nothing but log x base root 5 is the b value. So it is equal to 25. Root 5 whole square means only 5, not 25. Get it? So if log x base root 5 is equal to 5, x is equal to root 5 whole power 5. Root 5 whole power 5. So that is the final answer, but it can be written as per the options: root 5 whole square, root 5 whole square into root 5 into root 5. So 5 square, root 5 square means 5 into root 5 square means 5 root 5. So 5 into root 5 means what? 25 root 5. Okay, 25 root 5 now. 25 root 5. Okay, next one. Next one. Next one. Same model, one more example. Log base a, log base a, log base 3. Understood, ma? Vinay? Now is it okay? log base a, log base 3, log 512 base 2, log 512 base 2 is equal to 1, is equal to 1. Then a is equal to dash. Then a is equal to dash. So 512 means 2 power 9 hai na? Because everyone remembered 2 power 10 is 1024. Whenever 2 power 10 is 1024, 2 power 9 is 512. 2 power 9 is 512. 2 power 9 is 512. Okay. So 2 power 9 base 2, nothing but 9. 2 power 9 base 2 means 2. Sorry, 9. 9 means 3 square hai na? 3 square base 3 means 2. Log 2 base a is equal to 1. A is equal to what? 2. A is equal to what ma? 2. Okay. Okay. Next one. Remember each and every property of the logarithms. If log a base x is equal to m, then a is equal to the x power m. So what is the value of log a plus b by c plus log c by a? But they clearly given that b is 4 times of a. So b is equal to 4a. If you substitute log a plus b by c plus log c by a. So b value 4a means log 5a na. So log 5a by c plus log c by a. Log a plus log b means log ab. Log 5a by c log a into b. B value is c by a. So here, what is the cancel? C and c cancel ma. A and a also cancel. What is the answer? Log 5. Okay. Next one. Log y base x is equal to 100. Log y base x is equal to 100. And log x base 2 is equal to 10. Then the value of y is So up to that, any doubts, ma? Okay. So these are the different problems related to the properties of the logarithms. So by using the logarithm definition, y is equal to x to the power 100. But from the second equation, x is equal to 2 power 10. If you substitute x value 2 power 10, y is equal to 2 power 10 whole power 100. Nothing but 2 power 1000. Na? Yes, so that is the y value. Don't go for the value, but the answer is 2 power 1000 is the correct answer directly. Okay. Clear, ma? Any doubt up to that? Okay. So thank you, ma. Thank you all. So please practice. Please visit our website. So www.durganaresh.com. That is my personal website. Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you all.